Hello guys, good morning. This is early Saturday now. What I do here in the kitchen, I will make a pancake. This pancake in the carton has 480 grams, but I am only cook 1 pack of pancake because there is 2 pack inside. So it will be divided into 480. So it is only 240. The Alpine also, this is available milk in the kitchen, Alpine or different, you use different fresh milk, you can do it here to mix the pancake. And we have 2 eggs, we have syrup inside, and we have star margarine to cook the pancake. If you have available olive oil, you can use olive oil. So this is what I do now. Please subscribe my channel. I am Pips and I start cooking now. Thank you and God bless us all.